it's me, Sydney Phelps. The date is January 18th, 2019. It is President's Day. This is lab 6. Sorry, my lab's a tad late. It was a holiday weekend and you know how that goes. So for lab 6, what we're supposed to do is discuss if we were to eat a hamburger, what path would this hamburger take through our digestive system, and talk about the important structures basically. So if I were to eat a cheeseburger, it would begin with your mouth, which is actually a digestive organ. So in the mouth, our food is chewed through mechanical, work. And then as well as with your salivary glands, which are an accessory organ of your digestive system, with the saliva produced and secreted into your mouth from the salivary glands, we undergo chemical digestion. So this is where it begins breaking up your food. It produces some digestive enzymes such as amylase. That amylase mainly breaks up starch, but anyways, so in the mouth we start to break things down, and then through here you go through the pharynx, which is basically your throat. This is where air and food/liquids get separated, and then once it passes through the pharynx, you then reach your esophagus, which is a long tube. It's a muscular tube, so unlike what people think, your esophagus actually contracts through peristalses. That's what it's called, the muscular contractions. I don't think I said it right, but you guys get the point. Anyways, so it contracts, and this pushes your food down. It doesn't just slide down like a little slide or anything. It actually gets pushed down through the esophagus, yes, your food. And then once it's done doing that, it goes through something called a sphincter, which a sphincter is an opening that can open and shut, and it allows food or other things to pass through it. When your sphincter is acting up and it's not closing properly, or it's opening, and you can get a backsplash of acid into your esophagus, and that's actually like heartburn. A lot of people, that happens to them. Anyways, tangent. So once the food gets into your stomach, you have your acids and bile basically, which is digestive enzymes and acids. Your stomach churns your food like muscularly, mixes everything up. You actually get your bile, which is some of the acids and digestive enzymes. You get that from your liver. So the liver is what makes the enzymes, and then actually the gallbladder is what stores the bile, which can go into your stomach and small intestine. So this is what breaks your food up basically. So once all that happens in your stomach, you then reach your small intestine, which there's 3 parts to your small intestine. So basically the first part of it, the duodenum, is the short part. This is where it receives like everything for you to absorb, because your small intestine's main function is to absorb the nutrients. So your pancreas spits some juices, pancreatic juices, into your small intestine, and this helps with absorption. So yeah, it just controls. Your pancreas helps things absorb properly, so you absorb the nutrients and minerals through here, through the villi of the small intestine. It goes through 3 parts. Once it's done through the small intestine, it reaches your large intestine, which this part of your digestive system removes water and electrolytes from the food and basically prepares it to be excreted. So the waste product is stored in your rectum of the digestive system and then excreted through the anus. So that's basically your digestive system. The salivary glands, the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder all being accessory organs that help the food pass through, get digested, get absorbed, and then, you know, spit out the bottom. And then that's basically how it works. That's the process that the cheeseburger would take. So thanks for watching. Have a great week.